Hello viewers and welcome to the fourth part of HTML course. We discussed heading tag in the previous video and now in this video we are going to learn how to work with HTML paragraph tag. A paragraph is simply a text that you want to publish on the website and we define a paragraph using p tag. This p tag is a peer tag as it has an opening and a closing. And everything that you insert between the opening and the closing tag considered as paragraph. Let's put some text inside. Now save the file and check the output. Refresh the browser and here we see the output, right? There are two important things that you need to notice here. The first thing is that, as you can see, we have several line breaks in the code, but browser automatically removes all the line breaks and you see a whole text in sequence, right? So don't get confused. This is how it works. And not only the line breaks, your browser is gonna remove all the extra spaces you have between the words or between the characters. For example, if I put some extra space here, save the file and then now refresh the browser. As you can see, only one space is left here after the rendering process. In HTML, we put extra spaces and the line breaks manually, and we will learn how in coming tutorials. Now, the second thing that I want you to notice here is this empty line at the top. The browser automatically adds a single blank line before and after each p element. As you can see, this single blank line at the top and we have a blank line after, which is not visible right now because we have no content after. Okay, so let's define another paragraph so that we could see a blank line in between. So open another p tag and copy some text. Right, save the file and now refresh the browser. It's now clear. Okay, so you see a blank line before and a blank line after. So paragraph tag uses quite a lot in web pages. Whenever you want to publish text, you will use paragraph tag. Take a look at this developer site. All the text blocks you see here, other than the headings and links, are basically defined by p tag, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and so on. So this tag is quite important and it uses a lot. And in the last, I will show you very bad use of paragraph tag. Some programmers unintentionally or maybe intentionally use empty paragraph tags just to create an empty space between the content. For example, if I put an empty paragraph tag in the text like this without any content, it's gonna add an empty line. As I said earlier, browser adds a blank line before and after. Let's check it out first. You see the content is separated by a line, a blank line. This practice must be avoided by two reasons. The first reason is every tag in HTML has its own purpose. So use tags accordingly. The purpose of p tag is define paragraph, not line break. The second reason is screen reader software announce the presence of paragraph and then read the content. And in this case, there is no content to read. This can confuse and frustrate the person using a screen reader. I hope you understand now why this is considered as a bad practice. So this is how we work with HTML paragraph tag. I hope you found this tutorial useful. I will see you in the next part. Thanks for watching.